Hey guys, it's Kara from thatbeautyaddict.info, and I have another unboxing. And today we are going to be unboxing 6 brand new lip tints from Charlotte Tilbury. And there's 6 of them, and they are called the Blush Balm Lip Tints. So let's get started. So there are 6 lip tints in all, and they're brand new. Like she just launched them, and they're called Pillow Talk Blush Balm Lip Tints. And like I said, there's 6 colors in all. We have this one, which is the Pillow Talk Medium. We have Pillow Talk, the original, which is like a very light pinky beige. This one is 90s Kiss. We have Blushed Rose. We have Blushed Jam. And we have Cherry Talk. So let's open them up and see what they look like. So check out the packaging. Look at the packaging on this product. Isn't that beautiful? Can you imagine pulling this out of your purse? So let's talk about what the Pillow Talk Blush Balm lip tint is. First of all, it's like a 3-in-1. It's a lipstick, it's a lip balm, and it's a lip tint all in one. It is sheer. They do come out sheer, but they will have the lasting power of 8 hours. So they have a lasting power like a lipstick, but they're sheer, and they're very, very moisturizing to the lips, and they will moisturize for up to 24 hours. They also bloom or change when you put them on your lips. There is a patent formula that it's designed to customize. The color will customize itself to the pH of your body. So your body's own chemistry will sort of bring the color out even more. So some people it might be more vibrant, and some people it might be less vibrant. So I applied some of them to my arm, so I'm going to talk about it. I put them on my arm, and the red color right there, that's the cherry shade, Cherry Talk. Fortunately, I can't read the bottom, so I have to go by this. So this one is the Cherry Talk shade, which is like a red. It's like a cherry red. Let's see, the next one. This one could be this is the Blushed Rose shade, okay? Blushed Rose. That right there is the Blushed Rose shade. This one here, this looks like Pillow Talk Medium. Okay, this one looks like that. And Pillow Talk Medium is that one right there, the second one. And this one could be, yeah, this one is the really, really dark brown one. And that one is 90s Kiss. 90s Kiss is the third one down right there. That's the really dark brown one. This one is it Blushing Jam? Let me see. It's either Blushing Jam or Blushing Rose. This one's Blushing Rose. Blushing Jam is a little darker. This one's Blushing Jam. And Blushing Jam is right there. That's Blushing Jam. And this one is, I'm sorry, that was Blushing Rose. I'm getting mixed up. Blushing Rose is a little lighter. This is Blushing Jam. Blushing Jam is going to be darker. So this is Blushing Rose, and that is Blushing Jam. So I don't know if you guys can see the colors. Like I said, they are on the sheer side, but they are beautiful, really pretty on. And I'm actually wearing one right now. I don't remember what color I'm wearing. I think it was Was it this one? I think it was this one. Yeah. I think it was the, this was the blushing rose shade that I put on. Let's put some on. I'm going to put more on. And you can see that they are really moisturizing on the lips. And my lips are extremely dry because we're just coming out of the winter. So these feel really nice on my lips. And if you wanted more pigment, you could line your lips with Charlotte Tilbury's Lip Cheat. Line your lips and then maybe pencil them in slightly and then put this over it. That would be really nice too if you wanted more, like more pigment, more intense. But this, it is meant to be a little on the sheer side, kind of look like someone kissed you and it kind of came off a little bit. That's the look it's supposed to be. And this is going to be hot this spring and summer, especially for those blushing brides. They're going to be wanting to wear this because it's just very soft and natural and has kind of a very romantic look to it. And as well as it's going to feel nice on the lips over the summer. It's not a heavy lipstick. It's very light feeling and smooth, but yet the coverage will last up to 8 hours. So, and the moisture will last longer. The moisturizing part of the lipstick will last 24 hours. So the benefits outweigh everything. So these are gorgeous and you want to get your hands on these. I'm going to put everything down below in my description, as well as the names of the colors and a description of what the colors are, as well as my Magic Beauty Stars link. And just so you know, once again, I am a Magic Beauty Stars affiliate with Charlotte Tilbury. When you click my link, you'll also see a 15% discount code. Make sure you copy that and you apply that when you check out. And you can get 15% off your purchase. Now, mind you, my discount code is for first-time online purchasers with Charlotte, and it doesn't include any kind of bundles or special pricing or virtual consultations. But if you were to buy every one of these lip balms, lip tints, just the way they are, you would get 15% off your entire purchase. So anyway, I hope that helps. But if you like my video, please be sure to like and subscribe and share my video. It's greatly appreciated. And like I said, I hope you get one of these fine lip tints. These are really pretty. And like I said, look at the packaging. And it's light. It's not heavy. It's lightweight. So you just slip it right in your purse, pull it out. I mean, this is so pretty pulling this out, and it's got her logo on it. So very, very pretty. Love that. So anyway, once again, all my information is going to be down below in the description, as well as my Magic Beauty Stars link with my code. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. If you need help with picking out colors or other makeup from Charlotte, or if you need help with color matching for foundation or powders, reach out to me. I'd love to help you. So anyway, I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I hope I talk to you soon. Bye.